Hi children, hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our online class with a small prayer. Dear God, thank you for looking after us. Thank you that you love each and every one of us here. Help us to learn and share together. Amen. Okay children, today let's continue our class. Okay, last class we studied measurements. Today we are going to continue measurements. Okay, yes. So let's recall what all we studied in our last class. Okay, so we studied about metric measures. So the metric measures are used to measure length and distance. So metric measures are used to measure the length and distance. Okay, so millimeter, kilometer, meter, centimeter, everything are used to measure the length and distance. Okay, so in that, millimeter is the smallest unit of length. So which is the smallest unit of length? Millimeter is the smallest unit of length, and then kilometer is the largest unit of length. Kilometer is the largest unit of length. Okay, so then we saw some of the conversions. So what is that? 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is 1 meter, and 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. Okay, then we saw the conversions in this conversion table in the textbook also. So the smallest unit is millimeter and the largest unit is kilometer. So when you are coming from largest unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply by 10. Okay, then if you are going from smallest unit to largest unit, you have to divide by 10. Okay, this is the thing you have to remember. Okay, then we saw that is upper unit. When you are converting upper unit to lower unit, you have to multiply, and lower unit to upper unit means you have to divide. This is the thing you have to remember. Upper unit to lower unit, multiply. Lower unit to upper unit, you have to divide. Okay, then we saw some conversions. So for example, convert meter to kilometer. Here meter is the smallest unit and kilometer is the largest unit. So lower unit to upper unit. So lower unit to upper unit means what we have to do? Divide. So they have given 5000 meter. So 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. So 5000 meter is 5000 meter is 5000 divided by 1000. 5000 divided by 1000 is 5 kilometer. Okay, then convert kilometer to meter. Kilometer is upper unit and meter is lower unit. When you are converting upper unit to lower unit, what you have to do? You have to multiply. So 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. So 5 kilometer is 5 into 1000. 5 into 1000 is 1000. 5000 meter. So this is the thing you have to remember. When you are converting upper unit to lower unit, you are multiplying. If you are converting lower unit to upper unit, you have to divide. This is the thing you have to remember, and all these conversions you have to remember. Okay children, now let's move on to our today's class. Okay, today we are going to learn about operations, that is addition, subtractions, multiplication and division. This class we shall see about addition and subtraction. Okay, so find the sum of the following. Find the sum of the following. So first sum, 7 meter 25 centimeter plus 15 meter 50 centimeter. So when we are adding, first we have to put there is meter and centimeter. So first number I am writing from the last digit. Okay, so it is 25 meter, 5, 2 and 7 meter. Okay, the next number is 15 meter, 50 centimeter. This 50 centimeter I am writing first, and this 15 meter, 5, then 1. This is how we have to write. Okay, so this place is empty. So what operations we are going to do? We are going to add. Sum means we are going to add. Okay, so 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. Yes. Then 7 plus 5 is 12. 2, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so the answer is 22 meter and 75 centimeter. When you are writing, you have to take and write with meter and centimeter with the units. Okay, shall we do the sum? Next sum? Yes, 5 kilometer 700 meter plus 12 kilometer 450 meter. So first we have to write the units. Okay, first we have to write the units, that is kilometer and meter. Okay, the first number is 5 kilometer 700 meter. So first we are writing meter, 007, then 5 kilometer. Okay, then this number 12 kilometer 450 meter. First I am writing the meter, 0 5 4, then kilometer 2 1. See, this place is empty. That is the reason I am telling every time when you are writing, you have to start from the ones place. Okay, so we are going to add. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 is coming down. Okay, so the answer is 18 kilometer 150 meter. Okay, this is how we have to do the addition. It is same like normal division, only we are writing this meter, centimeter or kilometer, meet all these units only we are going to write. Other than that, everything is same. Okay, shall we continue? Yes, so we shall do some problem solve sums here. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, page number 68, example sum. Okay, the length of 3 ropes are 1 meter 20 centimeter, 2 meter 15 centimeter and 1 meter 25 centimeter. What is the total length of the 3 rope? So they are writing for total. Total means we have to the addition. We have to do the sum. So they have given 3 ropes. First rope length, second rope and third rope. So we have to find the total length of 3 ropes. Okay, so we shall do the sum. Okay, yes. Okay, word problem. So length of first rope. So it is in meter centimeter. So meter centimeter I am writing on the top. First rope length is 1 meter and 20 centimeter. Okay, so length of second rope. Length of second rope. What is the length of second rope? It is 2 meter 15 centimeter. Okay, and the length of third rope. Length of third rope is 1 meter 25 centimeter. 1 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, this is how we are going to write. Yes. So now we are going to find the total length of ropes. Total length of the ropes. So what operation we are going to do? We are going to add all these ropes. Okay. So first one, 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0, 1 carry. Okay. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Yes. Okay. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. So the answer is 4 meter 60 centimeter. This is how we have to find this is the total length of the 3 rope. Okay, so this is how you will do the addition when you are coming for measurements. Okay, we shall do one more sum in the problem. Okay, in the exercise there is one sum here. Saravanan has chosen to drive his vehicle from Puducherry to Chennai. From where he is going? He is coming from Puducherry, he is coming to Chennai for a distance 165 kilometer. What is the distance? It is 165 kilometer. While starting this vehicle, the odometer shows 157 kilometer. Odometer means in the bike and all we will be having the meter, no? It will show the distance, how much distance the vehicle has travelled. So that is called as odometer. Okay, so it is showing 157 kilometer when he is starting from his home. Find the reading of the odometer when he reached Chennai. So what is the reading of the odometer they are asking. Okay, so Puducherry to Chennai. What is the kilometer? It is 165 kilometer. Okay, so odometer shows how much? 0.00157 kilometer. So total reading we have to find. Total reading when he reached Chennai is what? We have to find that. So what will be the kilometer? Both are in kilometers, so I am writing kilometer. From Puducherry to Chennai, how much kilometer? 165 kilometer. The odometer showed 751,000. So what operation we are going to do? We are going to add. What we are going to do? We are going to add. So 5 plus 7 is 12 to 1 carry. Okay, so 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 12. Okay, then again 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 it is 3. So it is kilometer. So the answer is 322 kilometer. So this zeros also we can add. Okay, 0 0 0. The answer is this one. If you put the 0 or if you are not writing the 0 also, no problem. Okay, so the odometer after he reached Chennai, the odometer is showing the reading as 0.00322. Okay children, do you understand? Yes, yes. Whenever they ask for total, we are going to add. Okay, yes. Shall we move on to the next sum? Yes. Find the difference. Find the difference. Difference means we are going to subtract. Difference means we are going to subtract. Same like addition, we are going to do for subtraction also. So first we are going to write the units. Kilometer, meter. So we are going to minus 75 kilometer 500 meter, 40 kilometer 250 meter. So first one is 575. The second one is 250 40. So what operation we are going to do? Difference means we are going to subtract. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 5 we cannot do, so we are going to borrow. This is going to be 4 and this is 10. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 2. Okay, then 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, the answer is 35 kilometer 250 meter. 35 kilometer 250 meter. Okay, yes. Shall we move on to the next sum? See, simple subtractions only. Already we have learned how we are going to do subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. Everybody knows how to do. The same thing is you are going to write the units. The last line, the last numbers we were writing the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000 like that. In this we are just going to write the units, kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. That units alone we are going to write. Okay. The next sum is same thing, we are going to write the units, kilometer, centimeter. Okay, so first one is 75, 55. This one is 23 meter, 40 centimeter. First 40, then 23. Okay, so we are going to subtract. Okay, 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 4, it is 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Simple addition, subtraction. Okay, 32 kilometer, 35 centimeter. Okay, do you all understand how to do the subtraction? Yes, please do and see each sum so that you will be understanding very much. Okay, next sum we shall do one problem sum. Okay, so we shall do one problem sum. Here you can see this sum, page number 69. Kannan bought 90 meter 80 centimeter of cloth. Okay, so he used 43 meter 75 centimeter of cloth to stitch the uniform. How much cloth is left with him? So from the shop he bought 90 meter and 80 centimeter of cloth. Okay, in that cloth he cutted 43 meter 75 centimeter to stitch uniform. Okay, so how much cloth is left without stitching? Okay, so we are going to find that. Okay, so Kannan bought how much meter, centimeter? How much meter? 90 meter and 80 centimeter. Okay, he used how much? 43 meter and 75 centimeter. So how much left? How much left? So we are going to subtract. We are going to subtract. So I have written very simply. This simple statements you can write. You need not to write very lengthy statement and all. Simple statement like this you can write. Okay. So we are going to subtract. Okay. So 0 minus 5 we cannot subtract. So I am going to borrow from 8. So 8 will become 7 and this will 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 7, 0. And 0 minus 3 we cannot do subtraction. So what I am going to do? I am going to borrow from 9. This 9 will become 8 and this 0 will become 10. Okay. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 3, 7. 8 minus 4, 4. So the answer is 47 meter 05 centimeter. Okay, this is how you will do the subtraction. Okay children, yes, so every time when we are doing subtraction or addition, first thing you have to remember, you have to write the units. You have to write the units and you have to write the number in the correct order. See if there is 2 digit, you write it properly. Some sums will be having 2 digit and 3 digit combined. So see to that and write the numbers properly. So if you are not writing the numbers properly, your answer will be wrong. So remember to write the numbers always from the last digit. Okay children, so this is how you will do the addition and subtraction. There are many sums they have given in the example, page number 68 and page number page number 67. They have given some sums. You can do the sums as homework for your practice. So do homework. I am writing the homework here. Homework, subtract. Page number 68. Page number 68. Okay, and yes, this 3 sums you can do. Page number 68, try this. This is homework for you. Okay, so in page number 68 they have given 3 sums for subtraction. Try this, subtract the following. These 3 sums you do it as a homework in your rough notebook, okay children, please watch the video properly, and you can, if you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Okay children, so take care. Thank you.